Okay, here we're going to show how to use a TI83 to solve a linear system. And the linear system I have in mind is to find the steady state vector of a Markov transition matrix, which we have already defined, which you can access by the matrix menu. So A is a 3x3 Markov transition matrix. You can see it right there like that. Okay, now to find the steady state solution, I am this time going to solve the linear system, which says that this matrix times the steady state vector should equal the steady state vector. So I'm going to change the matrix a little bit. I'm going to go into matrix. This time I'm going to go edit, and I'm going to edit A. Okay, now A I'm going to change into a 4 by 4 matrix. And you can see that I added a row, and now I'm going to add a column. And first of all, the diagonal entries should be whatever they are minus 1. So in this case it's 0.2, so I'll put 0.2 minus 1, enter. Okay. And now I go to the 2,2 entry, and that should be 0.3 minus 1, enter. And I go to the 3,3 entry, and I'll do 0.1 minus 1, enter. Okay, and the right column is all zeros up to that point, which it should be. This matrix times this new 3x3 times the steady state should be the 0 vector. Now the last row is going to be for the equation where all the entries add up to 1. So every entry should be 1. So I'll just enter 1 all the ways across. And in the last column, also 1 is the sum of all the entries. So I now have made a 4x4 matrix corresponding to the linear system. So I will now quit this, and the way to solve a linear system is to use the reduced row echelon form function, which is again available under the matrix entry. This time I have to go to math, and I have to look for RREF. So we keep scrolling down till we find RREF. There it is right there. And now I enter the matrix I want to work with, which is A, now a 4x4, and hit right parentheses. And when I hit enter, there it is right there, the reduced row echelon form. You see 3 pivots in the first 3 columns, 1, 1, 1, and the last column gives me the 3 entries of the steady state vector. S1 should be 0.385, etc. S2 should be 0.366, etc. And S3 should be 0.248. And that's how you use a TI83 to solve a linear system. All right, see ya.